and 60. Thanks for tuning in. I had a chance to visit Mac Haik Southway Ford today. If you guys remember, that's where I bought my Bullitt from. They have some spectacular sales going on. They have new inventory coming in, some amazing new vehicles, beautiful, beautiful vehicles coming in. I do have some viewers and subscribers that have been looking for Bullitts. Right now they have a sale. They have several Bullitts in stock, and they have $4,000 off of them. They will pick you up from the airport if you want to fly in, and they also have an allowance that they'll give you for one night stay at a hotel. So really good deals going on. Let me show you guys what we have in stock right now. Here at Mac Haik's Southway Ford, and we have some deals for you today. All right, guys, this is a 2019 Bullitt, and this one is spec'd out exactly how mine is. Okay, so this one stickers for $53,000. They have $4,000 off right now. This one does have the MagneRide suspension. It has the Recaros, the leather Recaros, and it does have the entertainment system, which is the B&O sound system. This is another 2019 Bullitt in the dark Highland green, but look at this, we have one in black also. These are both $4,000 off. These both have, the only options they have are the electronics package and the MagneRide suspension. They do not have the Recaro, so these are stickered at $51,000, and you get $4,000 off the sticker. All right, this is Alfie, this is my sales guy at Southway Ford. He's got this 2020, guys, Shelby GT350R for sale. Alfie, tell me your phone number.
It's 210-833-1835. It's 210-833-1835.
Let's look at the interior. Oh, there you go. Amazing. Rear seat delete. It's got the navigation. Out in the sun for you guys. I love that sound. Alright guys, this is going to be the sleeper. This is the sleeper color for the new Mustangs, the 2020 and even the GT500. This is Velocity Blue. Now look what it looks like in the sunlight. When the sun hits it, that metallic comes out, and I mean, that is amazing, guys. You got to see it to believe it. Beautiful color. All right, guys, excuse the wind noise. The wind has kicked up quite a bit. Now, this is a ruby red metallic 2019 F-150 Lariat. It's got the Sport Performance package, and this is new for the Sport packages on the 2019s. The grill is body matching, and this is just like unbelievable. So it doesn't matter what color you get, the grill's gonna match. The interior is really nice, but as you can see, also it has the front-mounted camera. So when you're coming to an intersection or someone is parked on the street and you can't see out past them, you can actually see with the camera if there's cross traffic coming. Pretty neat. Also, guys, gone are the days of the over MSRP stickers. There are no overs. Everything is sold as MSRP on these Raptors. So you got ruby red, you got the blue, you got the white, every color you're looking for. Plenty of them. And like I said, they're at or below MSRP. Ruby red. Awesome. There's a nice silver one. All right, so look at the blackout packages that they're doing on the F-250s now. I mean, wheels, emblems, even the grill, light surround. Here's a blue jean colored one also. This is another one of those underrated blues, guys. Look at the shine on this. That's pretty neat that they're doing the blackout package, though. All right, look at this Power Stroke right here. It's platinum white with the black accent package, and because it's white, I mean, the accents really, really stick out. Even the wheels, this is beautiful. I wish they still had platinum white on the Mustangs. That was one of my favorite colors. I always wanted a pearl white Mustang. Beautiful F-250 Power Stroke. Check out this little Ranger XLT. I like the wheels on this one. They got something for every budget here, guys. So here's a 2020 F-150. Now this is an STX. The STX has like the Sport Appearance package. It has nicer wheels. It has the color matched front and rear bumpers. Really, really nice truck. My wife has an STX. But look at the wheels on this. And look at the graphics now. Love it. Love it. Now this is a 2020 model.